Namaskar everyone. Today I will talk about thyroid. As we all can see, people around us suffering from thyroid problem. So what is thyroid? Thyroid is a small butterfly shaped gland in the root of neck or below Adam's apple. It secretes hormones T3, T4 and TSH, of which T4, that is also called thyroxine, is the main hormone, and thyroid hormone plays an important role in the functioning of the endocrine system. And thyroid hormone acts throughout the body, influencing metabolism, growth, development and body temperature. Thyroid is of two types, hypothyroid and hyperthyroid, and between two, hypo is very common, and the main difference between hypo and hyper is hyperthyroidism. It secretes excessive hormone and that results increase in our BMR, and that also cause high BP, heart attack, nervousness, digestive problem and muscular pain, and as well as goiter. In hypo, it secretes less hormone which causes fatigue, poor memory, cold, depression and as well as weight gain. So we will start with next Sukshma Vyama. Relax your body, close your eyes for some time, total focus on your breath and then slowly open your eyes. Now lock your chin and then inhale up. Feel the stretch on your neck. Exhale down. Body totally relaxed, shoulder relaxed. Again inhale up and exhale down and come back. So this movement you can do it 10 to 15 times every day. And now the second movement will be clockwise and anti-clockwise. So ready position, lock your chin and inhale up, exhale down, your face relaxed. Now the opposite side, inhale up, exhale down. Now slowly come back and look front. So this rotation you can do it 10 to 15 times. So this was Sukshma Vyama for the neck. So before doing asana, to warm up your body, try to do Sukshma Vyama. If you want to know more about Sukshma Vyama, you can check the link below and you can also click the I button. So let's start asana for the thyroid. So first asana, bridge pose. First lie down on your spine. Rest your arms and hands on side of your body, palms facing on the ground, feet together, legs together, and slowly bend your knees, legs apart, hips apart. Try to bring your both heels near to your hips and then inhale, lift your hips and your lower back. If you are not comfortable this way, you can take your hand support on your lower back and be there for a while. You can close your eyes and slowly release this posture. Now release your legs and come back. And after this asana, always do counter pose. So now let's do counter pose for Setubandh Asana, Pavan Mukta Asana. Bend your knees. With the help of your hands, try to touch your shin bone and try to bring your thighs on your chest. Normal breathing. Stay there for a while and then slowly release this posture. So this is the easiest way of doing Pavan Mukta Asana. And if you are comfortable in this asana, then you can slowly lift your neck up and try to touch your forehead on your knees. Hold this posture for some time and then slowly come back. Both feet on the ground and release your knees. So let's do Sarvang Asana. Lie down in supine posture, hands on your side, palm facing downward, feet together, legs together. Inhale, lift your both legs up, bring into 90 and then slowly raise your hip up, your back and take support of your both hands. Remain in this posture for some time and gaze on your toes. And from here, go to Halasana very slowly. Don't force your body. If you are not comfortable, release the posture. If you are comfortable here, try to focus on your breath. And then slowly, after staying there for some time, you can come back. Slowly, first keep your back, your hip and then both your legs down and relax for some time in Savasana. Now in Matsya Asana, bring your head crown on the ground and take the support of your hands, bend your elbows, remain in this posture for some time and then relax and come back. So this was Matsya Asana. So just now we did Sarvang Asana, Halasana and Matsya Asana. These three asanas are very effective for thyroid because the circulation goes directly towards the thyroid gland and also the energy flows on the thyroid region while doing this asana. Always do it step by step, like first I did Sarvang Asana, then Halasana and then Matsya Asana. So we did Suksham Vyama and Asanas for thyroid. People who are not able to do difficult asanas, they can just do Suksham Vyama and then chant Omkar every day. So how to chant Omkar? While chanting Omkar, just focus on your thyroid gland and you can keep your hands in Jnana Mudra. Body totally relaxed, eyes closed. With a deep inhalation, start chanting Om. Now slowly open your eyes. So this is how we chant Omkar. Let me quickly sum up some important points for you. Start having food on time. Try to sleep early and wake up early. Exercise regularly and develop positive attitude towards life. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. Now we will see you in our next video. Till then, stay happy and stay healthy. Thank you. Namaskar.